did you get someone to create the video ads for you?
Yes. So again, because I don't put myself out there. So I actually had Kate's daughter Kira used to do a lot of TikTok videos for me. She also did an unboxing, stumbling over my words, unboxing video, as well as a demo video. So she did do some for me, and also I used to have a VA until about a year ago, and she did quite a few videos for me too.
Awesome. And what type of videos are they? In terms of, are they simply promoting the actual product, or how are they actually structured, if you don't mind me asking?
Yeah, showing the product in use. The screen cleaning one is showing it in use. And I think the one for the record player, it shows Kira. It's actually a really cool one. She's lying on the bed and she's got all these records around her, and so she's done it really well. And that one's designed specifically to get attention, to get people to watch. And yeah, so just real, because the screen cleaner was important to show how, the before and after, how it's used. Otherwise, people look at it and think, well, what is it?
Yeah.
So it had to be really clear on that.
Exactly. You have to answer every question that's going on in your customer's mind when they get to your listing, So a good video is basically video, like you mentioned, showing them exactly how to use it, how to take care of it, the benefits of it, etc. So, and I think a lot of us don't really always want to kind of be online and kind of like promoting ourselves and doing videos. But I guess there are small things that you can do. Not always do you need to kind of be at the forefront of the brands. I mean, ideally, you want to have your story somewhere, of course, within your Amazon listing or your website, and a YouTube channel would be great. But you don't always need to do videos with your face on it. I think, but I think because your product's a bit of a high-end product, I think that's why it kind of relates itself more a little bit to actually showing your face there.
That was a video from my regular Monday night Q&A session with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. We are a community of 2,500 members and growing. We're the fastest growing community of professional e-commerce sellers right here in Australia, with sales, by the way, of over $50 million. $50 million, holy crap. If you'd like to find out more about what we do and how we can help you build your own e-commerce business too, get off to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. The link for that is in the description. And thanks so much for watching. See you on the next video.